Futuristic Landscapes. Our bioluminescent vivariums provide unique indoor experiences. They allow people to connect with nature and appreciate its beauty year-round. Our products use natural, non-toxic elements such as plants, animals, fungi, and rocks, which reflect fluorescent colors when exposed to UV light. Our vivariums not only serve as visually stunning decorative pieces, but they also alleviate seasonal depression by bringing life and color into indoor spaces. We stand out from other companies by offering completely natural, non-intrusive ways of experiencing the beauty of bioluminescence, without any chemical or genetic modifications. With our bioluminescent vivariums, you can bring Pandora to life. Let's build together futuristic landscapes.